Okay, here we are, full on cold. The grain is keeping up, just barely, but it's keeping up. Stop. Drain, hot water. The hot water does not go down. It's very hot water. See how full we are? We don't appear to be draining hardly at all. I'm going to cool the water down by turning cold back on. As soon as it reaches a certain coolness, there it goes, there the drain goes.